Welcome to our channel. If you're planning a camping trip and want to make the most of your outdoor adventure, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing some essential tips and tricks to help you have a safe, enjoyable, and memorable camping experience. Let's dive in. First things first, choosing the right campsite is crucial. Look for a flat, level area that's elevated to avoid flooding. Make sure it's away from potential hazards like dead trees or areas prone to rock slides. Check for nearby water sources, but keep your campsite at least 200 feet away to protect the environment and wildlife. Packing smart can make or break your camping trip. Here are some must-have items: a sturdy tent with a rain fly or a hammock with a tarp, sleeping bags rated for the weather you'll encounter, a first aid kit, a multi-tool or knife, lightweight, non-perishable food, plenty of water and a filtration system, weather-appropriate clothing and layers. Don't forget a map, compass, or GPS device to help you navigate. Once you've picked the perfect spot, it's time to set up camp efficiently. Start by pitching your tent on level ground and secure it properly. Store your food in bear-proof containers, or hang it high to keep it safe from wildlife. Create a designated area for cooking, and remember to keep it away from your sleeping area to avoid attracting animals. A campfire can be a great source of warmth and a way to cook your meals. Always check the regulations for fires in the area you're camping. Use a fire ring if available, and keep your fire small and manageable. Never leave it unattended, and fully extinguish it before going to bed or leaving the campsite. For cooking, bring lightweight cookware and try simple, one-pot meals to save time and effort. Respecting nature is key to preserving the beauty of our wilderness. Follow the leave no trace principles. Pack out all your trash. Dispose of waste properly. Leave what you find. Minimize campfire impact. Be considerate of other visitors. Stick to designated trails. By doing this, we ensure that these beautiful spots remain pristine for future generations. For added comfort and enjoyment, bring along some extra items like a camping chair, a hammock, or a portable solar charger. Use a sleeping pad for insulation and comfort, and consider earplugs if you're a light sleeper. Don't forget to bring a good book, some games, or a journal to make the most of your downtime in nature. Camping is a fantastic way to connect with nature, unwind, and create lasting memories. With these tips and tricks, you're ready to tackle your next adventure like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Happy camping!